Even if a fire is small, localized, and put out quickly, you could still have extensive smoke damage throughout your property. You don't want to let smoke and related odors linger too long. The longer you leave smoke damage, the harder it will be to do the repair work. We have decades of experience in recovering properties from smoke damage. Once the smoke clears, our experts at Dry Kings are ready to offer rapid response, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. As qualified professionals, you can trust that you are safe when it comes to smoke and odor removal. It is our goal to get your structure back to its original state as if the damage never happened. We will document and monitor the process to ensure that your belongings and property are appropriately treated. After you contact our emergency response team, our process includes damage inspection and assessment, where we will determine the resources, equipment, and personnel required for your specific situation. Smoke removal and soot cleaning, where we disinfect the structure and make sure there is no lasting smoke or soot that could create future damage. Surface cleaning and contaminated air filtration, where we deep clean affected surfaces and place air scrubbers throughout the contaminated space, cleaning the air, preventing further damage, and reducing potential health threats. And finally, item deodorization and final cleaning, where we deep clean washable materials, eaves, and exterior walls. We take pride in being the most reputable and reliable fire and water damage restoration company in the San Francisco Bay Area. We have a passion for helping local business and homeowners get back on their feet after any disaster. Get your property up and running again with Dry Kings Restoration. Give us a call today.